18-year-old Julie Maceda is doing research for his high school elective in psychology.
Because I've also had some mental health problems, so it kind of relates into what I want to learn.
He is on the autism spectrum and has anxiety. Maceda started the Integra program at Integra Child Development Center in Encinitas about a year ago, and he says it has helped him focus and connect more with his peers in the program. Before coming here, he would often have mental breakdowns and not want to go to school.
It helped a lot because it allowed us to talk with each other about it allowed us to be more comfortable, and we could be vulnerable at times with each other of talking about what was personally going on with our lives.
Experts on children's mental health says the rate of childhood mental health issues has been rising steadily over the past decade, but the pandemic and racial and social inequity have exacerbated the issue. That's the reason why Marissa Brunel Fogelman started Integra, which is Latin for whole and complete. Before starting and developing the Integra program, she taught high school English for over a decade. She says the traditional schooling system often doesn't address teens' mental well-being.
I feel as though the pandemic really highlighted the emergency that our teens and youth are facing within their mental health. However, historically, our philosophy has been to address the whole child because we always say that our teens are navigating two worlds, both the external world that we live in and the internal world that they're working to navigate.
This is how a typical day at Integra starts, with a mantra. Today's mantra: recognize how my mental strength affects the quality of my life. Brunel Fogelman says the mantra sets the tone for the day and helps students focus on what they want to feel. She says it helps with teens' mental well-being because it helps them understand how powerful the mind is.
There's a whole a bunch of tools in our toolbox and different resources we utilize to help get students grounded in mental wellness before they even start their day.
Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.